So I'm going to film a weekend vlog this weekend. We've got a few things on and I thought it'd just be nice to film and get ready for the December weekend vlogs. So I'll be filming every weekend throughout December, Christmassy videos, and I love looking back on those ones. So today later on we're going to watch the Christmas lights get switched on in the town, and there's like a Christmas fair and everything. I think Paw Patrol are in town as well. But at the moment it's like 8 o'clock already and I'm already dressed. I've had a bath. I've been awake since 5, not because of Sunny, just because, I don't know, I was just awake and couldn't go back to sleep. We got a house inspection at 9:30, so I'm just tidying the house quickly and then I'm not sure what we're up to after that. Sunny's downstairs having his breakfast with his daddy and yeah, I'm gonna tidy. Eating your breakfast?
Yeah. I'm going to get this.
Good boy. Sunny's hoovering, aren't you? Why'd you stop when I film you? Oh, you all done?
You finished?
No.
Oh, keep going then.
It's twisted. Got it? Do you know what? Tell Mummy, what do you want? You want chocolate?
Yeah, okay.
Get a bowl then. You're going to get a bowl out.
Yeah.
And what do you say?
Aka.
What do you say, please?
Please.
Good boy. There you go. Say thank you.
I'm gonna carry the whole team.
Really? And who's gonna carry you?
Hey, you wanna go back to can design? You know where the door is.
So we got a new TV yesterday.
Guys?
And you know, like when you look at them in the shop and they look small and then you bring it home and it's really big, the TV is massive. But I'm getting used to it. Our last TV was 43-inch, this one's 49, just getting used to the size of it. Sunny seems to like it. So we've just had our house inspection, that's all done. And Darren's gone to the gym. Me and Sunny are just gonna chill out for a bit this morning and watch Monsters. And then, because we're going out later, so we'll probably stay in this morning. He's so tired though. And so am I. Like, I could easily go to sleep now. I don't know why I woke up at 5, but I really need to go to sleep now. But he's being a good boy. Okay, we're going to attempt to make some Christmas cards. So I'm going to try and get him to put his hand in there and do some handprints on these cards. I got these from the pound shop last year, I think. And then turn it into like a snowman of some kind. I think we done snowman ones last year. But he's not really up for it at the moment. But hopefully I can persuade him. Do you want to come and do some handprints? Hey, you want to come do some painting? Sunny, look at Mummy. Paint in your hand. And then print on the card.
We're not stopping here.
They look rubbish. Not too sure if we're going to do this. So Darren just made me a yummy cheese omelette for lunch. And Sunny dancing to Beauty and the Beast. You playing carriages?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll ring Batman.
Where's Daddy?
Daddy,
In the shower.
I've got a drink.
And where are we going? Are we going to go into town and watch the lights get switched on?
Oh yeah, drink of yeah.
So what do you say?
Back.
Daddy me.
Yes.
So we're just getting ready to go out to town to watch the town Christmas lights get switched on. And there's a Christmas bear down there. I think I said this morning. Should we go to the park?
Yeah.
Yeah. Give me a kiss then. Mwah. Another one. Mwah. Without realising we were all sort of like, we're all wearing the same colour.
They told him already.
Matching, matching. Finally got a honeycomb latte and it's amazing. Do you like it?
Yeah,
It's so dark.
It's not amazing, it's right.
The camera's rubbish in the dark.
You're amazing, but...
So we've been to the Christmas fair and now we're just waiting for the fireworks and the Christmas lights switch on and just have a look around the park at some of the stores.
I know Daddy just a minute ago, you pushed me away.
That's because someone's there as well. So this morning we are off to watch the Frozen Olaf special film at the cinema. So it's Sunny's second time at the cinemas and we're not too sure how it's going to go, whether he's going to sit still and watch the film like a good boy. He loves Frozen, so he should do. And we're going to get him popcorn and snacks to try and keep him staying there. If he doesn't, then we'll just leave. So that's where we're off to now. Sunny's asleep, so I'm talking quietly. So we've been home for a while. It's 3 o'clock. Went for lunch after the cinema, and then we came home, and I've literally been trying to get Sunny to nap, and he's only just gone. I'm going to watch a Christmassy film, just one of these cheesy Channel 5 ones, and stay in bed, led next to Sunny. And I've also got some sneaky birthday chocolate, which I'm gonna have, and just have a chilled out Sunday afternoon.